Whistler and Blackcomb, which one is better for a beginner? We are going to look at that in this video. There are two beginners areas to choose from: the Olympic Mid Station at Whistler and the Yellow Brick Road at Blackcomb. If you're not planning to take classes from the ski school, the beginner runs or the magic carpet runs at Blackcomb will not be accessible for you. They are used only for classes, so the Olympic Mid Station at Whistler would be your only choice in that case. In order to reach the Olympic Mid Station, you have to take the gondola and get off on the first stop. If you're a non-skiing parent, you're still required to get the gondola sightseeing ticket, which may cost about 80 Canadian dollar. Up on the Olympic Mid Station, there are 3 different magic carpet runs. From the top of the first conveyor belt, you can walk to the magic carpet area on the far right, or you can continue to go up. So whenever you're ready to move up to a different level, on top of the 3 magic carpet area, there's a beginning chairlift you can challenge yourself on.
This is going to be much higher than my pay grade.
The landing platform on this run is rather flat, so you have plenty of space to spread out and get ready. Here's the bottom of the run where parents can stay and watch their kids, but there are no seats here. There's a small cafe or a stand for drinks, but it wasn't open at the time I was there. I prefer to stay on the Whistler side because there's a bigger village compared to Blackcomb. It has more restaurants and shops. There are also more hotel choices that offer ski-in and ski-out options. We stayed at the Westin and the Hilton on different nights. I have separated videos to share more details if you're interested. I'll include some links in the description section. Beginner ski run is quite accessible for parents at Blackcomb if your kids are taking classes. But overall, I still think Whistler Village is a better choice for beginner and for family with kids. If you enjoyed this video, you may also enjoy a longer video on Whistler Village. Again, I will leave those links on the description section. Thanks for stopping by.